We've docked in Jamaica, and this is what we see. On one side of the ship, though. The other, beautiful water. Beautiful. You can only see part of it from here. But we had breakfast on the other side. Awesome. Excuse me. There's houses in the hills. Welcome to Jamaica. Oh, and there, we're gonna take our cheesy carnival photos.